All right, things are popping over here in our kitchen, literally.
Yes, Dzen is waiting for us, and several years ago, he planted corn meant for popping on his family's Christmas tree farm, and then he turned it into a business.
It's a business that's growing, literally. The last time he was here, it was just getting going, but since then, it's really expanded. It's really popping all over.
Yes, we're so excited that you're here because Dan is here to give us an update on Podunk popcorn, grown right here in Connecticut. And I remember when you came on and you showed us, I love the natural, but I thought, oh, I don't know how to make it. And you showed me that I could put it in a paper bag with just a little bit of coconut oil and I could microwave it still.
Right there.
Yeah. So you can still, just in case you thought you couldn't buy this kind, it's cheaper, it's better for you, and you can still microwave it.
So you just put it in the bag and put it in the microwave.
A little bit of salt and
2
oil.
minutes.
2 minutes in a brown paper bag and you fold it up and you're good to go.
It comes it's so good.
That's remarkable. All right, now tell me that there is a kernel of truth that your business is doing well.
Yes, we're in stores all over Connecticut, Massachusetts, and New York now. So we're expanding, and we sell it online as well in these bags here. So we could ship to anywhere in the United States.
Well, and then here, Scott, just so you know, the microwave instructions are on the back of this bag.
Written right off
the back. I just want to let everybody know that John Dzen, your father, sent me this morning at about 5:45 several corn jokes. And I didn't realize that you were coming on the show today. And I'm thinking to myself, why is John Dzen sending me corn jokes at 5:45 in the morning? So it was.
That's his style.
Yeah, that's his style. So I wanted to thank your father for trying to foil me. Anyway, it was good.
This is so much more than popcorn because you're showing us how we could maybe make some teacher gifts, or you even have created these cute, adorable mason jars that are actually wedding favorites.
Yeah, we've done a couple of them this year so far, and we can make as many as you need. We've made a couple hundred of them in a batch.
How old were you when you got started with this? Honestly,
I was 16.
16.
Yep.
Wow. And you said, "Hey, I'm going to do." Tell us a little bit about the formation of the company.
Yeah. So I've been an entrepreneur all my life. Started all kinds of different businesses, and when I was in high school, I needed a high school project for the Future Farmers of America program I was in.
Oh, right, okay.
And so I started growing popcorn. It's kind of a joke, and then it turned into a real business.
That's fantastic.
Yep.
So you're going to help us make some really cool popcorn things.
Yeah, we got 2 recipes here today. So this is an apple pie. We got all kinds of little apple chunks in here, and cinnamon, allspice, and then we also have an orange cranberry popcorn balls here. So
tell us about how you made the apple pie.
It's pretty straightforward. You just mix some butter and vanilla in a bowl, toss the popcorn, add all the spices over the top, put it in the oven with the apple flakes, toast it up a little bit, and you're good to go.
Oh my gosh, these are so
Where did you get
good.
the apple flakes?
Just in the apple section in the grocery store.
Oh, they have them.
The flakes already.
Yeah.
I don't even need to peel
the dried apples. Yep.
And then just put it all in the oven with the cinnamon. This is delicious. Like, this is really, really
It tastes
good.
like Apple Jacks.
Better even.
A is for apple, J is for Jacks. Cinnamon, toasted apple.
I wouldn't think about baking popcorn with spices, but it's delicious.
Yeah, you can find all these recipes on our website. We're posting these every day. We're adding new ones.
So tell us what a day in the life of Dan is like. You know,
well, I get up, I make some popcorn for breakfast. Every day is something different. That's one of the beauties of being a farmer is you get to adjust your life based on the season. So you have to get ready for the spring, and then when the harvest comes, you adjust.
But you're saying your business really takes off at this time of year because people are thinking about so many different gifts to give.
Yeah, we probably do 40% of sales between the month of November and December.
Wow.
Wow, that's incredible.
Tell us about these. I'm thinking these could be cute little things to put out for the holidays.
Yeah. All you do is you just melt some marshmallows and some butter, mix it together, add the popcorn in with white chocolate chips, dried craisins, and some orange zest. Mix it all together, form it up. And I put this in the fridge for 15, 20 minutes this morning to kind of firm them up.
It's like a Rice Krispie treat, but so much more gourmet, and I'm sure better for you.
Absolutely.
This is like
no preservatives, no colors, no extra artificial flavors.
Oh my gosh, wonderful.
These are great. You can make a whole bunch of these and put them in little bags and give them out as gifts.
Yep.
Yeah.
Did you ever have your crops go south on you?
Yeah, I mean, that's the nature of the business. Sometimes it happens. Every year farming is different, so weather conditions can change. And this year we had a record crop, though.
So when they do go bad, what do you say, shucks?
Sometimes you just have to.
Sometimes
you got to crack a joke every once in a while.
Every now and then you just got to make fun of yourself.
That's right.
If we get one of these jars, how long, I mean, was this harvested, say, last year, or how long did the kernels last?
So, every jar that's on the shelf is less than a year old.
Okay.
So we rotate stock constantly. This is the tail end of last year's crop, so we're going to start processing the 2018 crop in January of 2019. So that'll hit the shelves in January.
So good.
All right, now, excuse me, I don't mean to be corny, but I followed you since you were a little kid.
Yeah.
I've known you since, how old, Jen? Like
Yeah,
four?
little kid. Yep.
It's unbelievable. And you've grown into this very capable man making popcorn, and we're so very proud of you.
Well, thank you.
You know, we can string your popcorn on your dad's Christmas trees like the old-fashioned days.
That's a good idea.
All right, so again, all the recipes are on your website.
Yep, podunkpopcorn.com.
And we'll put a link on our website so you can get them there. All right, Kara?
You can find Podunk Popcorn in stores in Connecticut. To find out which store is closest to you, go to podunkpopcorn.com, click on where to buy, and that will give you the location closest to you. And you can also order it right online, Scott.
Amazon Prime, free, whatever.